Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. Today, we're learning how to give and follow directions, something super useful in real, everyday situations.
Hey, Anna, I really need this. Every time someone gives me directions in English, I get lost halfway through.
That's exactly why we're doing this episode. We'll practice slowly, clearly, and naturally. Let's start with the basics. Simple phrases people use when asking for directions.
Great. What's the most common one?
Excuse me, how do I get to, for example, excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Okay, so, excuse me, how do I get to the hospital?
Perfect. Another common one is, where is the, where is the nearest pharmacy?
Nice. Much simpler than I thought.
Yes. And when someone gives you directions, you'll hear common action verbs like go straight, turn left, turn right, and go past. Go past? What does that mean? Go past means continue walking until you pass something. For example, go past the bank and the cafe is on your right.
Okay, so it's like pass by the place and continue.
Exactly. Now let's practice a simple dialogue. I'll be someone on the street and you'll be the person asking for directions. Ready?
Born ready.
Okay, go.
Excuse me, how do I get to the library?
Great start. Now I answer, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The library will be on your right.
That's actually easy to understand. But what's block?
Good question. A block is a section of a street between 2 intersections. In Brazil, for example, we don't use block the same way, so it can be confusing.
Yeah, that's why I asked.
So when someone says 2 blocks, just think 2 blocks.
Perfect. Now makes sense.
Let's repeat the full direction sentence slowly. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Excellent. Now let's expand. Sometimes people add landmarks to help you visualize the way.
Landmarks.
Yes, landmarks are important or recognizable places, like a church, a big store, a park, or a gas station.
Ah, so things you can see easily.
Exactly. For example, turn right at the big yellow building.
That's very clear.
Let's try another mini dialogue. You ask again.
Excuse me, where is the nearest supermarket?
Nice. My answer, go straight and take the second right. You'll see a park. The supermarket is across the park.
Across the park means on the other side of the park.
Right. Across means on the other side.
This is bad, but what about more complicated directions, like if the place is far or if you need to take a bus?
Don't worry, we'll get there. First, let's practice a few essential vocabulary words you'll hear often when someone explains directions. Repeat after me, okay?
Let's do it.
Intersection.
Intersection.
Crosswalk.
Crosswalk.
The place where pedestrians can cross the street.
I've seen this word a lot, but never used it.
Now you will. Next is corner.
Corner.
Very useful when someone says, it's on the corner.
Easy.
Last one for now. Behind.
Behind.
Example, the cafe is behind the hotel.
Okay, that's simple.
Very good. In the next part, we're going to practice longer direction dialogues, how to understand fast speakers, and how to give directions politely.
Awesome. I'm ready for the next round.
In this part, we're going deeper. Now we'll practice longer and more realistic direction dialogues.
Nice. Real-life situations usually aren't short and simple.
Exactly. Sometimes the person gives too much information or speaks too fast. So let's train for that. I'll give you a longer direction and you try to catch the main steps. Don't worry if you don't understand every word.
Okay, let's go. I'm ready.
Imagine you're in New York and you want to go to Central Park. I say, go straight for 3 blocks, then turn right at the big white church. Keep going until you reach the traffic light. At the light, cross the street and continue past the museum. Central Park will be ahead of you.
Wow, that's a lot.
It is, but let's break it down. Step 1,
Go straight for, was it 3 blocks?
yes. Step 2,
Turn right at the big white church.
exactly. Step 3,
Keep going until the traffic light.
perfect. Step 4,
Cross the street and go past the museum.
excellent. And the final step?
Central Park is ahead of me.
See, it sounded complicated, but when you break it into steps, it becomes easier.
Yeah, that really helps.
Now, an essential survival skill, asking people to repeat.
Oh, yes, I'm going to need that.
Try these phrases. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Could you say that again, a little slower? I'm not sure I understood. Can you repeat the last part?
Those are great. I think the second one is the one I'll need most.
Everyone needs it. Even native speakers ask people to repeat sometimes.
Good. That makes me feel better.
Now let's switch roles. You will give directions.
Oh, no. Here we go.
Don't worry, I'll guide you. Imagine I ask, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the bus station?"
Okay. I'll try. Go straight, then turn right. The bus station is near the supermarket?
That's actually really good for a first try, but let's make it clearer. Try adding on your left or on your right.
Okay. Let me try again. Go straight for 1 block, then turn right. The bus station will be on your left next to the supermarket.
Amazing! That's perfect.
Really?
Really, you use landmarks, directions, and even gave a location reference. That's great communication. Now, let's simulate a conversation using an imaginary map. I'll describe what you see.
All right, I'm imagining a big city map in front of me.
Good. On your left, there's a park. In front of you, there's a bank. Behind you, there's a bakery. And to your right, there's a hospital.
Okay, I got it.
Now, imagine I ask, how do I get to the bakery?
You said it's behind me, right?
Yes.
So turn around and walk straight. The bakery will be in front of you.
Perfect. Clear and simple.
This is actually fun.
Giving directions can be fun when you turn it into a game.
Earlier, you mentioned buses. How do I explain directions with transportation?
Great question. You can use structures like take the number 10 bus, get off at the 3rd stop, transfer to the blue line. It's a 5-minute walk from the station.
I like get off at the 3rd stop. That one seems super useful.
Yes, especially in big cities. Let's make a quick example dialogue.
Okay.
I ask, how do I get to the museum by bus?
Let me try. Take bus number 22, get off at the 2nd stop, then walk straight for 2 minutes. The museum will be on your right.
That's excellent, Leo. You're improving fast.
Thanks, teacher. I'm impressed with myself, too.
Amazing job so far. In the next part, we'll practice real-life fast English, common mistakes, and how to confirm you understood the directions correctly.
And maybe how not to get lost again, right?
Definitely. Now we'll practice something very important. Understanding fast, natural English when people give directions.
Oh no, the boss level.
Exactly. But don't worry, I'll slow it down afterward. Ready?
I was born ready. Well, maybe not, but let's try.
Here we go. Listen first, then I'll break it down. Yeah, just keep going straight, past the gas station, then take a left at the next light. You'll see a big blue building. Go past it, and the library will be right across the street.
That was fast? My brain froze after keep going straight.
Totally normal. Let's break it into steps.
Please.
Step 1, keep going straight.
Okay,
Step 2, pass the gas station.
got it.
Step 3, take a left at the next light.
Okay, now it's making sense.
Step 4, go past the big blue building.
Right.
Step 5, the library is across the street.
Much easier now. When it's fast, everything sounds like one giant word.
Exactly why we train this. Let's talk about mistakes learners often make and how to fix them.
Oh, this part is for me then.
Not only you, everyone does these. Using go right instead of turn right. Forgetting to say how far someone should walk. Not using landmarks. Giving too many details.
Yeah, number 4 is my specialty.
Most people either give too much information or not enough.
So what's the trick?
Keep it simple. Distance plus turn plus landmark.
Example?
Walk 2 blocks, turn left, and the cafe is next to the bank.
Much cleaner.
Now this is super important. Repeat these. So I go straight and then turn right, correct? Just to confirm, the supermarket is on the left. Let me check if I got this right.
Oh, I love that last one. Sounds very smart.
Yes, and it prevents you from ending up in another city.
That happened to me once in Brazil.
I'm not surprised. Let's pretend you're trying to find a pharmacy. Ask me.
Excuse me, how do I get to the pharmacy?
Go straight for 1 block, then turn left. You'll see it across from the bakery.
Let me check if I got this right. I go straight, turn left, and it's across from the bakery?
Perfect confirmation.
Nice. So much better than pretending I understood.
Now you give me directions, but this time try speaking a little faster.
Are you sure about this?
Absolutely.
Okay, here we go. Walk straight, turn right at the bookstore, then keep going until the park. The coffee shop is on the corner.
That was amazing. Clear and natural.
Really?
Yes! Look at you becoming a directions expert.
I'm basically Google Maps now.
Almost. And last tip of the episode. If you get lost, don't panic. You can say, I think I'm lost. Could you help me? Or, I followed the directions, but I can't find the place. Or, can you point me in the right direction?
Those will save lives.
Absolutely. You did great today, Leo. We covered asking for directions, giving directions, landmarks, distances, public transportation, confirming information, understanding fast English.
Huh, that's a lot, but it was super useful.
I'm glad. And for everyone listening, practice out loud, even alone. Your brain learns faster that way.
And don't forget to follow the podcast.
Exactly. Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, guys. Don't get lost out there.
Bye.